Hello friends, welcome to cloudakshay.com. So today we are going to see that how I install a CentOS 8 version in VirtualBox and how the installation process. So I already downloaded the ISO file on from the CentOS official site and already installed the VirtualBox here. So in VirtualBox, I'm going to create a CentOS virtual machine. So let's start. I am going to click on the new, and here I put the machine name CentOS, and here I can select the RAM size of my machine. So I selected for 3 GB approx, and everything set as default. And here I select the storage of the virtual machine. So I selected 16 GB, create, and everything done. And let's start the machine. So machine is started, and let's select the boot disk. So I select choose boot disk and refresh once again. Not attached. I need to attach a plus sign and send to as open. So it is not attached. Give me a minute. I attached this. So I attached the CentOS 8 version ISO file and enter. So cancel, and so process is going on. It's take time approx 10 to 15 minutes. So I will continue with. So here I have to select the machine images and all the things, and here I select the English India and next. So here I have to select the installation source, local media, everything done, and here I select the partition volume, it's done, and no disk is select. I select this disk and done. Network, I enable the network and done. Security policy, no security policy. I attached here and Bing install. So root user, I need to create one root user for this. So I create root password. I create root password, and also I need to create a normal user here. So I create Cloud Akshay and I set password. You can make this administrator also. So I untick this and done. It's take time, approx 10 minutes. So let's begin. So there is almost 1304 files for installing. So let's wait for install, and I pause the video and continue with the same. So now our installation process is completed, and now click to reboot and remove the installation media from the virtual machine. So I remove the virtualization installation media from the machine. I quit this power of the machine and go to the setting. If you not remove the installation media, then process continuously it asking for the install CentOS again and again. So we need to remove the this disk from here, and I just remove the attachment and remove. It's removed and okay. So let's power on the machine once again. So my machine is ready. So I need to accept the license and click on the license. I accept the agreement and done. Finish configuration. So do some little formalities and select next. So our machine is ready, and so our machine is ready, and thanks. Please share and subscribe this video. Thank you.